Jackson.
And mua tērā Winton School, I'm Tu Meeke. Welcome to N.E.W.S news for Upper the 19th of November.
A huge day for the year 0 to 2 contestants and the last heat of Winton's Got Talent. So get into the hall at lunchtime and have some fun.
All contestants need to be ready in the hall at 12:45. Thank you.
Hi VIZ VESTS. Kia ora to the students wearing them to and from school. We need everyone wearing them.
And a reminder this term, you must wear your sunhats at playtime and lunchtime. Thank you.
A quick note about returning sports gear to the trolleys at playtime and lunchtime. Thank you.
Te Kupu or Te Wiki. This week's word is aporo, which is te reo for apple.
Tapa-tapa-hia na aporo. Slice the apples.
Senior Kapa Haka students, you have a lunchtime get-together in the library at 12:40. Kia ora.
And that means, sorry, the library will be closed today at lunchtime.
Health and safety news. Can all ice packs please be returned to the office? We need them all back. Thank you.
In the last news for today, can all the house captains and magazine team members meet outside room 9 on Thursday at 12:45 after you have eaten lunch, please, for some group photos.
This is to be published in the school magazine, so look smart, please.
Okay, thanks for tuning in. From everyone here at the N.E.W.S team, ka kite a pōpō.
Good luck to everyone competing in the last Winton's Got Talent heat. Haere rā, Winton School.